How can I generate more leads without increasing my budget? I should say ad budget, that is. Okay. So the first thing I would do is retarget website visitors who did not convert. So people rarely convert on the first time. You got to follow them up with a remarketing campaign with image ads on the display network, video ads on YouTube, and also on social media as well: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok. Wherever you can, allocate a small budget and follow them all over. So keep pushing them down deeper into the funnel. Create a lead magnet. This is really, really important because if they are not converting, that means they don't like your offer. So you got to change it and give them something of value. So offer value upfront, something like a simple thing. You don't need to make a very expensive one. And you would have seen a lot of the lead magnets which we have created for our business as well. They offer great value, but they're not expensive, and also they are in digital format. So we don't need to physically post back and post it. They can be downloaded, they can be accessed straight away instantly. So do something like a checklist, a calculator, a guideline, a cheat sheet, something of value in exchange for their contact information. Another thing which some people frown upon are the use of pop-ups or exit pop-ups when you go to a website. It's kind of like a marmite. Some people love them, some people hate them. But if used properly, you can increase your conversion rate. Because if somebody is about to exit your website or your landing page, and a pop-up comes up, here's a coupon code, or here's another a bonus or something like that, they might stay back and say, okay, this looks a bit more interesting, I'm going to give it a try. So use them wisely. Optimize the thank you page. That's literally you're leaving cash on the table. Once someone has signed up, don't just show them a little pop-up saying thank you for subscribing or thank you for downloading, and then keep them on that same page. Take them to a dedicated thank you page which says thank you very much, here's your link to download blah blah blah, but before you go, please subscribe to our channel or YouTube channel, or here's another video or a customer testimonial or a case study, because they have shown interest by subscribing or giving you their contact information. So they are more likely to take that second call to action and build that trust even more, and you keep pushing them down into the funnel. So that's how I would do these.